All right, let's graph some equations that are in the standard form. That's the form of some number times x plus some other number times y equals some other number, where this a, b, and c are integers, and a is not negative. Um, and Actually, it can be pretty easy to graph in the standard form. Now, kind of knee-jerk reaction that a lot of people have is to take an equation in standard form and then convert it into the slope-intercept form because they're more comfortable with slope-intercept. You can do that. I mean, I'm not going to stop you. You can do that, but that actually is more work than is required. So I'll show you another way. Um, I will, and that is finding the x and y intercepts of the line. So I'll kind of do it out. I'll show you the work, but then I'll show you some tricks. Okay, so let's look at this equation. 3x plus 2y equals 12. Now, so one way of graphing a linear equation is just to find the x and y intercepts. That's where the line crosses the x-axis. Should probably label these, I guess. Um, so the x-intercept is where the line crosses the x-axis. Let me make my axes more visible, actually, while we're on the topic. So the line crosses. So let me just actually just draw a line like that. Just gonna make it. So the y-intercept would be where this line crosses the y-axis. The x-intercept is where it crosses the x-axis. Um, and so y is 0 at the x-intercept, and x is 0 at the y-intercept. So you can actually find the x and y intercepts by setting x and y to 0. Um, so for example, uh, suppose I wanted to find the y-intercept of this line. Well, when the line crosses the y-axis, x is 0. That's what allows it to cross the y-axis. So I could plug in 0 for x. So instead of x, I've got 0. Um, 3, 0 plus 2y equals 12. 3 times 0 is 0, that's gone. 2y equals 12, so I divide by 2. Divide by 2. So y is 12 divided by 2, also known as 6. Um, Interesting, right? Y is 12 divided by 2, the y-intercept. So the y-intercept is c divided by b. Okay, if I want to find the x-intercept, that is where y is 0. So I can plug in 0 for y. So this goes away. 3x equals 12. So the x-intercept is at 12 over 3, also known as 4. So c over a, right? So here's the tricks. So you can do the work like that, or now that I've shown you how this works, remember this. If you've got ax plus by equals c, the x-intercept is c over a, and the y-intercept is c over b. I'm just basically that's showing you all these steps in compact form. Um, so let's use that fact to graph these things. So um, all right, so this equation. So the x-intercept of this equation is c over a. So it's 12 over 3. Uh, this is c. So we've got a, b, c. The x-intercept is c over a. So 12 over 3 equals 4. So that's the um, x-intercept. It's 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the y-intercept is c over b. So 12. Oops. 12. C over b, and b is 2. So the y-intercept is 6. 12 over 2. So I just want, oops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I can connect the points like that. Let me adjust it so it actually goes to that point. Yeah, so then connect the 2 points. That's all there is to it. So let's try that with another equation in standard form. Let me delete that and move those back. Okay. So so these are just shortcuts right here. If you want to find the x-intercept of a line in the standard form, you take whatever c is divided by whatever a is. If you want the y-intercept, it's whatever c is divided by whatever b is. And then you've got 2 points, and all you need to graph a line is just 2 points to connect the lines. So let's try it here. So we've got a, b, and c. So the x-intercept of this line, that was weird. That happens a lot to me. I don't know why. The x-intercept is c over a. So c is 10. A is 2. So it's 5. 10 divided by 2 is 5. So that's the x-intercept. So let's move that there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now the y-intercept is equal to c over b. C over b, which is c is 10 and b is 5. So 10 over 5 is equal to 2. So y-intercept is 1, 2. Now I connect my 2 points. It's not very well connected. There we go. Something more or less like that. Put arrows on the end to indicate that this is not a line segment, it's a line. Yeah, so this is a nice little shortcut. So the x-intercept is c over the coefficient in front of x. The y-intercept is c over the coefficient in front of y. Fairly easy to remember. Plot those 2 intercepts, boom, boom, connect them with a line, you're done. Now, if you want to do it in slope-intercept form, convert it first, and then plot a point, then use the slope to plot another point, then connect to the point. You can do that, but it'll take you about 20 times as long. All right. Not that I'm judging. I just think it's better to do things in a simpler way if you can, because we don't have all day to do this kind of stuff. You wanna graph the line and move on with your life, right? You got lots of stuff going on. So, all right, take care.